Ah, the exciting world of integrating TikTok with Shopify for dropshipping.
Welcome back to the eBox Man channel,
where we're about to embark on a journey that can skyrocket your dropshipping game. Today, I'll be guiding you through every step of the process. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create a TikTok business account. If you haven't already, it's time to set up your TikTok business account. Head over to TikTok and sign up. Once you're in, go to your profile settings and switch to a business account. This grants you access to a wealth of features and analytics that are crucial for your dropshipping success. Step 2. Set up your Shopify store. Now, let's get your Shopify store up and running. If you haven't created one yet, jump onto Shopify and start setting up your product listings. Customize the appearance to align with your brand's identity. A seamless, appealing store is key to building trust with potential customers. Step 3. Install the TikTok Pixel. Time to integrate the TikTok Pixel into your Shopify store. In your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store and select Preferences. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. Here, click Add Facebook Pixel. Grab your TikTok Pixel ID from your business account and paste it in. Save the changes. Step 4. Install the TikTok Channel app. Now, head to the Apps section in your Shopify admin and visit the Shopify App Store. Search for the TikTok Channel app and install it. Follow the prompts to seamlessly connect your TikTok business account to your Shopify store. This is the bridge that'll make the magic happen. Step 5. Set up TikTok shopping tags. Let's get your products ready for the TikTok audience. In your TikTok business account, head over to the Ads section and select Library. Click on Product Catalog and create a new one.
Connect your Shopify store by entering its URL.
Select the products you want to promote and add them to your catalog.
Step 6. Create TikTok ads.
It's showtime.
In your TikTok business account, go to Ads and select Create.
Choose your campaign objective. Set your targeting, budget, and schedule. Select the products you want to feature. Craft your ad's creative elements: video, caption, call to action. Review and hit submit. Your ad is now in the spotlight.
Step 7. Monitor and optimize your campaign.
The journey doesn't end with launch. Regularly monitor your ad's performance. Use the analytics provided by TikTok and Shopify to track conversions, engagement, and sales. Make adjustments based on the data. Continuously optimize your campaign for maximum impact. There you have it. A complete guide to integrating TikTok with Shopify for dropshipping. Remember, this is a general overview. Always follow the specific instructions from TikTok and Shopify. If you found this guide valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights from eBox Man. Until next time, happy dropshipping!